The topic of today's video is how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ellipal Wallet. So here we are in Ellipal Wallet, and what we want to do is click on receive. Then we want to choose what crypto we want to receive. And then we just want to click on copy. And now we can jump over to Coinbase. So here in Coinbase, you want to click on transfer and then send crypto. In here, you want to paste your wallet address and then just click on it once it pops up. Now I have no assets, but you will obviously choose Bitcoin, and from there you will put in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send and on what network. From there you'll be given a review of everything, including the fees, and if you're happy with everything you can click on confirm. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.